Not so much man. Wala kayo action man. Bronte Creek ko. Petro Canada nga park. Walang parking. Kanino no? Noise ko yung submergible na mountain bike. Whatever. Let's go. Waiting game de Japon dari day. Dito na ako. This is it. Good spot niya ngayon. Not bad. Maybe maingat something there. You can see some fish swimming around here. Let's see.